Acha, vacation. Evening time also that fire will be there. What we call free fire. Fire means instead in front of fire we should sit and do those these things, right? Like
That's not free fire, sir. That's campfire.
what we call
Sir, that is bonfire, sir. Free Fire is a game.
Bonfire, sir. Not Free Fire is a game, sir.
anyway. You understood? No.
Yes, sir.
तो दिल से समझो, बातों में कुछ रखा नहीं है. हाँ? Bonfire, campfire.
जी सर. सर कैंप फायर भी बोल सकते हैं, बॉनफायर भी बोल सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
बस फ्री फायर नहीं बोल सकते.
See this question now. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. What is the area of sector formed by the arc? So these all are questions easy. No need to solve only, right? Simply use the formula. Area of sector is equal to what? Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7. Radius is 21 into 21. So no need to solve. You can solve at home. Okay. Next question. Is it clear, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
This question you have done in that NCERT textbook only is there. This normal question, right? Now see, next question is 171. Question number 170. All of you solve this answer. This question is a bit interesting, but anyway, we have done in extra questions. Okay. So how to find the area of the shaded region here? Javian, you have not on your camera.
Sir,
Chanchal,
just a minute.
Chanchal, can you hear me? Chanchal,
Yes, sir.
why you are disconnecting? Your network is not proper, Chanchal.
Sir, actually, I wasn't able to see the screen, so I got
Now you can see.
disconnected.
Now
Yes,
you can.
sir.
Okay. Find the area of this. Find the area of the shaded region. Who is not able to understand this question only? Anyone who is not getting this question? Area of a square minus, see, area of these two circles, this and
That is
this.
the answer 155 cm square.
Option B.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay. So I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So what we need to do is area of a square minus area of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Again minus this square part is coming into picture, right? So what is the area of a square over here?
Side into side.
3 and 3 is that side, right? 3 and 3, the 6, the 14 minus 6. That is nothing but 8, right? So from here to here is 8. And total how many diameters is coming into picture? Drishi, how many diameters are there over here? 1. Here see. 2. Correct. And by blue I'm matching over it. 3rd. And here 4 diameters are there, right? Rasool? So this 4 diameter is equals to 8. 4D, I'm just writing over here like this. 4D is equals to 8. Not 4D, 4R we should write over here. It's 4 radius, no? 4 radius is equals to 8. So radius is equals to 2. So what you should do again? Area of 1, 2, 3, 4 minus area of this square. Inside this square, you just let it be 5. Okay. So area of 5. Now what we can write? Area of a square is 14 into 14 minus area of 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we get? Area of 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times pi r square minus area of a square is 2 is the radius. The 4 into 4 you should write. Side is 4, no?
Yes. right.
Because radius is 2, so diameter is 4. Now we can put the value and get the answer. So 196 minus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 2 into 2 minus 16. Now we can solve and get the answer. What answer is coming? 155 only. I don't know. Samarth, you have solved completely, right?
Yeah. Just, definitely.
Others, it's clear how to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next
Sir,
question.
I do not understand, sir.
Which part you're not getting, Javian?
So the full sum only I did not understand.
See, this you can say this gray color thing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
We have to find the area of those gray color only. So what is you need to do? What you need to do to find the gray color one? So this white part you should cut down from this. This white part is there, no? They should remove.
Yes, sir.
So what I have done here, I just put it one dotted line over here for this. Here also I'm putting one dotted line. Here also, here also, here also. So if you see this, first and second become one circle, correct?
Yes, sir.
And third and fourth also become one circle. That's why see what I've written in the formula, area of a square minus area of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but twice of the area of circle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then I have written last area of a square. Area of a square is 4 into 4. Which is the area of a square? This is the area of a square. That is 5. I've written here 5. Area of 5 is nothing but area of a square.
Square.
So how 4 and 4 is coming? That I have done by this one. Here I have done this. See. That is 14 minus 6. That is 8. And 4 of radius. 4 times the radius is nothing but 8. So radius is equals to what? 2. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
So the answer is correct. I calculated. It's 155.
So anyone having doubt? Rasul, it's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
But sir, here we must take the value of pi as 3.14. Here you have taken 22 by 7. It's mentioned.
sir, I
Okay.
just have a small doubt.
Say.
Sir, and we have to even calculate the square, the small square, right? For that, what will be the side of it?
Side of the square you are saying.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the side, correct? This complete fully the side only, no?
Yes, sir. That will be 4 centimeters, right?
Okay. Then what is your doubt?
Sir, nothing.
Because this side is 4. How become 4? Tell me, Hemant. How this side become 4?
Sir, the radius is 2, right, sir?
Huh.
So the diameter will be 4.
Yeah, diameter will be 4. That is on nothing but side of the square. Fine. Next question is,
Sir, we can find it also directly, right? 14 minus 3 minus 14 minus 6.
14 minus
6.
14 minus 6.
Total. Okay, so we'll get the total, I think, from the total.
Yeah, 14 minus 6 means their total from here to here. 4 radius you got, right?
Yeah.
That is only main concept. Now, see this question. ABCD is the area of shaded region in figure. If ABCD is a rectangle with side 8 and 6, and O is the center of circle. So children, if 8 and 6 is like this, okay, and this is a rectangle, so obviously this is nothing but 10 only by Pythagoras theorem. 6, 8, and 10. You know that? Correct. Then how to find the area of the shaded region? So area of the shaded region is what? Area of circle minus area of rectangle. Correct. So area of shaded region. area of shaded region, AOSR, is equals to area of circle minus area of rectangle. So area of circle, you know, pi r square, pi is 3.14. What is the radius of the square? 5 into 5 minus area of rectangle, that is 6 into 8. You can solve this and get the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this? Check. 25,314 into 25. 25 to 7, 15, 6 to 8. So 7,
10.5.
850. 78.50 minus 48. So what will you get? 30.5, right?
Yeah.
30.5. Next question is, this question, that is, all of you solve and put the answer in the chat box. And if you're not getting, just ask me directly so that I can start solving right now itself.
So this is an NCERT, right?
NCERT sum.
Yeah.
So what is the answer for this?
I don't remember the answer. But
Ah,
it's,
okay. PQ is 24 and this is 7. So QR will get 25.
Just subtract the area of this, or what you can say, right angle triangle from the semicircle.
Yeah. So area of semicircle. So area of shaded region is equals to what? Area of semicircle minus area of right triangle, correct? So area of semicircle is pi r square 3.14. 1 by 2, you can write 1 by 2 into pi, and radius. What is the radius over here? 25 by 2, correct? Minus area of rectangular half, base is 7 and height is 24.
Sir,
Is it-
how is the radius 25 by 2?
See, this is 90 degree, right? Hemant. So
Yes.
QP is given over here. PQ is 24 and this is 7. So by Pythagoras theorem, this whole thing is nothing but 25. Okay, by Pythagoras
Oh,
theorem.
yes, yes, right.
So radius become half of it. So 25 by 2 into 25 by 2.
Yeah.
And here half right angle triangle means half base into height. That is
Is
half.
it mentioned for 3.14?
No, you can write 22 by 7 also. It's not
Yeah,
mentioned.
it is said that we have to take 22/7 when it is not mentioned.
So if it is not mentioned, you should write 22 by 7.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
that's
Okay.
also written in NCERT.
You can solve this one, right?
Yes.
Anyone got the answer? Anyone who is not understanding this? Chanchal, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question you should explain. Okay, Chanchal. Your camera is working, Chanchal. Let me check. Where are
1
you?
second, I'll
I should tell every day, Chanchal, to on the camera.
No, sir.
So 174. Chanchal, 174 questions should be explained by you. 174, you can see the question over here and tell me how to do. In the given figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant. Quadrant means this is a quarter part of the circle. Okay. In the quarter part of the circle, the square is there. OA is 15. So all the sides of the quadrant, this one square is 15 only. So what is the area of shaded region? Tell me, Chanchal, how to find this?
So there is only one option, sir, for this.
No, there are 4 options. I have not copied completely. Chanchal, tell. What is the, how to solve this question? Don't tell me the answer first. Tell me how to solve. Can you hear me, Chanchal? Chanchal, why you off your camera now? To see the answers?
The answers are not there.
Not there. Okay.
Yeah, if you click, you will get
So
another answer.
I cannot see the screen, sir.
The screen only you can't see. Again, I'm sharing. Wait 1 minute. I'll just share the screen once again. Now you can see or not. Just tell. Now you can see. Wait for 1 and 2. You count. Now you can see.
No, sir, it's black only.
Why it's coming like this? Your
Sir,
network is.
I'll rejoin you. Sir, it's good only.
Once again, you join once again. Cut the call and join once again. Yeah, who got the answer? Rasul, how to solve this question? Tell me, Rasul.
Sir, I'm not getting.
Area of quadrant minus area of square you can't do. Rasul, if you say not getting means who will know then? Rasul, it's so easy question now. Area of what? Quadrant. You know area of quadrant? Rasul? So tell, we don't know this, how to find the radius of this, right? That only you are having doubt, no Rasul, correct?
Yes.
Sir, is the radius 15 root 2?
See, this is like a hypotenuse, Rasul. Yes, 15 root 2. So if this is the hypotenuse, can you find this is diagonal? No. So this is also 90 degree. So this part, this is also 15. This is also down also 15. Can you find this 15 root 2 will come? Understood, Rasul?
Sir, I am getting a bigger answer.
Okay. So here area of quadrant is 3.14 into divide by 4 means into radius. Radius is
15 root
15 root 2,
two.
15 root 2. 15 into 15 into 2 we can write.
Yes.
Divide by 4. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 again will cancel with this. The 1.57, correct?
Okay, yeah.
1.57 minus area of square, that is 15 into 15. Now in both part you can take 15 into 15 common and you can write it as 1.57 minus 1. So 15 15s are 225 into 0.57.
Sir, the answer is B, sir. 128.25.
128.25.
Yes.
Okay. So you just multiply, children, and get the answer 128.25 centimeter square. Rasul, now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Mainly you got stuck into find the radius only, correct?
Yes.
Others, it's clear to you. Teja, what happened? Teja, sir, I am here, sir. No answer only now. Teja. Teja. Are you there? Next question is 166. If the perimeter of semicircular protector is 36, what is diameter? All of you just message in the chat box. It's very easy question. If the perimeter of semicircular protector is 36, then what is its diameter? What is the perimeter of protector, Hemant? What is semicircular protector, perimeter of semicircular protector?
Sir, it is circumference by half of circumference.
You mean to say pi r?
Yes, sir.
See, here only children will get do mistake over here. This is semicircular means like this will come, and one more like this will come. You have seen. So pi r will be there for only for this part. See, top part. And this part you forgot of to add this diameter. So perimeter of the semicircular protector is nothing but pi r plus 2r you can write, or 2 or d directly you can write. Okay, Hemant. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
the perimeter of protector. So perimeter is equals to take r common. So 22 by 7 plus 2. Can we write like this? So 7 to the 14. 36 by 7r. If the perimeter of the semicircle is 36, then 36 is given.
Sir,
So
the
what?
answer is 7, sir.
7.
The diameter is asking, the diameter is 14. Radius is
So 36 is get cancelled. So radius we got as 7. So diameter is equals to 14 centimeter. But nobody's this messaged me till now. You have not
I
solved.
told you, right? I told you.
So anyone having doubt in this? How to find Adarsh? So don't confuse here. Hemant, don't confuse in this type of questions. If they ask, perimeter of the protector is nothing but half of the circumference of circle plus 2r. Don't forget to write 2r. Otherwise this become wrong. Next question. If you're having any doubt, you can ask. Next question is the area of the adjoining figure. Question number 167. The area of the adjoining figure is what? This is very, very easy. Okay. Javian, tell me how to find. Area of adjoining diagram is nothing but what? What to do? And you can tell me.
Just a minute.
Just a minute, sir. Javian. This you got the answer. 378, right? Chanchal, now we can see the screen. Chanchal. Now
Sir,
you
it
can.
is 378, sir.
Acha. Okay, fine. So area of circle plus area of circle plus area of what? Rectangle, right? Okay. Next question is 168.
Sir, I am also getting 378.
You're not getting.
No, sir, I am getting. I am
Okay.
getting.
See, next question, all of you do. So there are 3 semicircles over here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So you have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter you should find. Don't find area. So many children started finding area and all. So this is the kind of perimeter. Remember, okay? So perimeter का मतलब क्या है? Just try to understand over here. Perimeter of this one. This is the perimeter of this circle. Again, perimeter of this circle and perimeter of bigger circle. This line will not come into picture. Okay. So only boundary of all the 3 circles is nothing but perimeter. So suppose this one is having radius as what you can write? R1 you let. This bigger one is, bigger circle is, 1 minute. Suppose this circle is having radius R1, this is having R2, this is R3. Okay. So what is R1 given? R1 is equals to what? 7/2, correct? R2 is,
Sir, the answer is 31.4 centimeter square.
oh, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ನೀವು? Where are you, man? Teja,
Sir, I was in village, sir.
now you came to town. Teja,
Yeah, sir.
just now you reached.
Yeah, sir, like 20 minutes back.
Acha, okay, okay. What, your village is 5 kilometers away?
Yeah, sir.
So whenever you means my class starts, you come from village. Huh?
Sir, get you what do you?
10/2, that is 5 here. This is 5 centimeter. This is 7.2 centimeter. And R3 is 3/2 centimeter. Now you can just find the area. This perimeter is what? 2 pi r, right? All is having 2 pi r only. So perimeter is 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r1 will come, or only pi r1 will come? Only pi r, right? Pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3. So pi you take common, r1 plus r2 plus r3. Anyone got the answer? Oh, so many children got the answer. Wow.
Yeah, sir.
Sir,
the
can you
answer
do
is
this?
1.4 centimeter square.
Which one? 31.4.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, what is the perimeter of semicircle, Teja? Sorry, tell me. What is the perimeter of semicircle? Tell me, Teja. What is the perimeter of semicircle? You better you write 10/2 only. That's better here. You're not answering. Why, Teja? What is the
Sir,
perimeter?
uh,
210/7, right? So 3 sevens are 21. 3.14 will come. No, 31.4. Okay, fine. Tell me, Teja. See, right now I cannot see Rasool, Adarsh, Teja, Javian. Now I'm not going to solve the next question. You have to solve right now and just tell me in the chat box. Okay. Next question is, I'm just mentioning over here. This is easy. If you're not getting at all, then you tell me. See, the question is, if the circumference of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi, what about its area? What about its area become half? If the circumference of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi. So what is its area? See, 2 pi r is equals to 4 pi, correct? So r is equal to 2. And 2 pi r is equal to 8 pi. So r is equals to 4. It means that radius changes from 2 to 4, correct?
Sir, 4 times, sir. 4 times.
4 times. So before it was
Yes.
here, if this was the radius, so pi r square, pi into r square means 4 pi will come. Correct.
4.
And here what will come? Pi r square means pi 16 pi.
Yes, 16 pi.
So 4 pi to 16 pi. Answer is 4
Okay.
times. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So looks like complicated, but it's very easy question. So next question is, If the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter and length of an arc is 12 centimeter, find the area of the sector. If the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter and the length of an arc is 12 centimeter, what is the area of sector? Anyone got the answer?
Sir, 18.
18, okay. Area of sector is 18 centimeter square, fine. Anyone else got the answer 18?
Sir, answer is 36 centimeters square.
Okay. Teja, your mic is
Yeah.
working properly, no?
Yeah, sir.
Tell me how to solve this one. I'll just do how we are saying the same thing, I'll just keep on solving. But on your camera, now your camera is not on still. Why?
Sir, I'm on phone, sir.
On phone, then only on camera. What? Phone camera is not there. Don't leave the meeting. I can see you. You have just on and off the camera. Oi, Raju, on the camera. What man, Teja? Your camera and network both are proper. On your camera. Why you're so shy?
Sir,
Think. Bahana will not come. You can't think those bahana now. Now you got caught.
sir, wait, sir. Let me think about this question first.
Hey, your answer came. Now you're thinking about the question. No problem. On your camera and think it. And don't tell the answer. No problem. On the camera. Hemant, why you?
Okay, sir, give me a minute.
Hemant, Rasool, others.
Yes, sir. I am alive over here only, sir.
Hey, why you want 1 minute, Teja? Your camera is not taking you. Teja.
Sir, I have on my camera.
Oh, Mickey Mouse or Doraemon. Okay, tell Teja. You
Sorry,
want?
sir. It's my pet. It's my pet, sir.
Okay. Anyway, Teja, tell me. Can you tell the answer or not?
Yeah, sir. Area of sector equal to
No. You
length
should.
of.
Hey, you should on the camera and tell. You should not off.
Sir, I have on my camera.
Now you tell.
Okay.
Hey, again you are going to see the answers. I think that's why your camera is off.
No, sir.
Then.
Now, sir.
Sir, I think he's on iPhone.
So even I'm getting 36 centimeters square. So
Acha, okay, fine. Okay, everyone, 2 children only got the answer. 3 children got the answer. One is Teja. Second is Javian and this one. What your name? Samarth. 3 children got the answer. Rest all Rasool, Hemant,
Sir, I'm
Adarsh.
stuck in the middle, sir.
Okay, tell Hemant what you are doing. I'm just going with you. Tell me. Here the radius of the circle is 6. So what is given the question that you write? Radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Length of the arc. What is length of the arc? What is length of the arc?
Sir,
Tell
it
me.
is 12 centimeters.
So length of formula of the length of the arc. That is what?
36 only.
How what to do? Length of the arc is length
Half into LR.
length of an arc is 12 centimeter. It means this is the arc of what? Arc of sector or what? What is this? How you got in 36? Tell me. Who will tell me? Rasul, Rasul, you are getting this answer, Rasul?
Sir, area of sector is equal to length of the arc into radius by 2. So
What,
the
what?
length of the arc is
Tell one second, what you are saying?
area of the sector, sir, is equal to length
Wait,
of the
let me
arc
write. Let me write. Area of sector is equals to length of the arc,
into radius by 2.
length of arc into. Where you got this answer? Where you got this formula?
Sir, ma'am,
Ma'am told you the formula.
yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
But how it is coming? Who knows this formula, children? How many of you know this formula?
I
Samar?
don't know this formula, sir. No.
Sir, it's like a shortcut formula we got from ma'am.
Something harmless.
You tell from long cut only. No problem. How length of the arc is coming into radius by 2? Say. Others, you also got same answer, right? Tell me how we are getting like this, or same different way you have done. How?
Sent you in chat box. The formula also.
Acha, sent in the chat box. Okay, half into 12 into 6. So half into, okay, same thing you have done, right? Length of the arc into R divided by 2, correct? So how we are reaching to this formula? That is, I have never seen this formula before. How you children are getting, I don't know. Acha, your ma'am taught. Now for you others, for you who taught?
Sad tools.
Sir told. Okay. Next. I have read only one formula, that is area is nothing but area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. What?
We have to take from the perimeter, right? So there is no need for area here.
Length of the arc, actually, length of the arc I have read theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Correct, children, or not?
Yeah, that one only.
Yes, sir.
So this we know for length of the arc. So how, what you will do so that
Sir,
from
I know, sir, theta by 180 into pi r. That's the formula.
So from here to here, how to reach? From here to here we are reaching, right? So if you this is length of the arc, what you should multiply so that you will get this much. That is our thing, no?
Sir, can I my step?
If you multiply by r by 2,
R
then
by 2.
it will come. If you multiply by r by 2, it will come.
Yeah, sir. 12 into 6 by 2. That is 12 into 6 by 2. And
Understood how, Javier, this formula is coming actually? You're getting it or not now? See, this is the length of the arc. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r, which we know 12 centimeter. So,
Yes, sir.
So from here we can't find radius or nothing. We can't find from here directly, correct? Or you can find radius because theta is not given to you. How you can find radius? Now what we try to do is from this formula, what we do so that this area will come. So listen, now what we are doing actually, here 2 is there, no, the 2 should be cancelled, correct? Because here in area, 2 is not there in multiplication. So divide by 2 you should do, correct? Again here in, in numerator side, a square is there. One more r is there. You should multiply by r. So that's why if you do area of sector is equal to length into arc, length of arc into radius by 2, then your answer will come. Is it clear now? How this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now what you should do is length of the arc is nothing but 12 into 6 by 2. So answer is 36 centimeter square. Anyone having doubt? So new concept I have learned actually this one. I have learned one new concept today. That is area of sector is equals to length of arc into radius by 2. Fine. So we'll move further. Very, very important you can write. For me, this is actually very, very important because I learned first time. Next is your 165. A chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Chanchal, can you hear me, Chanchal? Teja, are you there?
Yeah, sir.
Teja. Adarsh,
Yes, sir.
what happened?
In between it's breaking.
Between when it's breaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the answer for this? Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Pi is equal to 3.14 should take. So chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Okay. So what is the area of minor segment? All of you try to find this question.
So the answer is C, sir. 28.5.
So this is the question like this only, no? Area of circle minus area of right angle triangle, correct? No,
Yeah.
no. What you should do? Area of sector minus right angle triangle.
Yeah. Area of sector minus right.
Area of sector minus area of right angle triangle. So area of sector is theta by 360 means 90 by 360 into pi r square. Radius is 10 into 10 minus half base into height. Okay, so here 50 will come. And here 9 4s are 36. 4 here 25 will come, right? So 25 into 3.1 for 25 चौका 100, 100. 10 carry 25 and 10 35. Carry 3 75 and 3 78. 78.50 minus 50. So answer is 28.50 centimeter square. Is it clear to everyone? It's very, very easy question.
Yeah, sir.
This one you find steel wire bent into something. All of you solve this question. A steel wire, when bent in the form of square, encloses an area of 121 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent in the form of circle, what is circumference of circle? What is the circumference of circle? Steel wire is bent in the form of square. Encloses an area of 121 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent in the form of circle, what is the circumference of the circle? 44 pi, 22 pi, 44, 22. What? Teja,
Yes, sir.
you're telling something.
No, sir.
How to do this question? Tell me. How
I'm
to-
thinking.
Hmm? You are thinking.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, okay. Try.
So the answer is 44 6. C.
44. Okay. Javian, you're getting how to do this question.
So doing sir. So there's a similar question in the NCRT, sir.
Acha.
Sir, R equal to 44 pi centimeters.
A option you are saying. Teja,
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
how you are trying? Sir, a steel wire is bent in a form of square. Any wire is there that is formed in a square, means like this. And this area is given, right? Area of this square is nothing but 121. It means its side is 11, right?
Sir, side of a square equal to 11 centimeters. Perimeter of square equal to 4 into S.
4
That
into
is
S. What is S?
side.
Huh.
11 centimeters.
So perimeter of the square is equal to 4A. That is 4
4
into side. So 4 into 11. That is
That
44
44
centimeter.
centimeters.
Okay, after this,
We got
better
the
we can
answer.
write now. See, perimeter of the square is equals to what? Perimeter of circle, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 4 into 44 into 11 is equals to 2 into pi into radius. Radius, you know.
No need, sir.
Hmm?
So why are you doing this?
What is circumference of circle they're asking? So 44
Yeah.
directly came now.
Yeah. So that's the
So,
answer.
so this is not required. So
So I'm also getting 44, sir.
So perimeter of a square is nothing but perimeter of what? Perimeter of a square is nothing but perimeter of circle. So this was the very easy question, no?
Yes.
2 pi into R equal to 44 pi.
44 pi. Why 1
Oh.
pi?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Next is, let me search some good question here. Find the radius of the circle in the next question. Find the radius of the circle. A piece of wire 22 centimeter long is bent into the form of arc of a circle, subtending an angle of 60 degree at its center. What is the radius of this circle? Adarsh, Teja, I'm just removing it out. Don't go come in the next class also, okay?
Sir, why, sir?
Simply off the camera after getting all the things also, huh? Adarsh, I'm removing right now, okay? And a seat at home. Achha, it's breaking for you. If you're breaking or something, you should message in the chat box, then you should off your mic or camera, whatever it is. Chanchal, you can't hear me. Hmm? Sir, can hear you, but I can't hear you. Unable to unmute. Okay, fine. Children, write your this answer options in the chat box. Who has left the meeting? Actually, 9 children were there before. Now only 7.
Sir, Samal.
Samarth and Javin is there. Javin. Rasul is also there. Hemant is there. Hemant has
Sir,
left.
Hemant and Samarth.
Hemant and Samarth. So anyone got the answer? Yeah, Drishi 21. A piece of wire 20 in the form. All of you are getting same answer. 21. Rasul.
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain this? Javin, can you do this question? Piece of wire 22 centimeter long is bent in the form of arc. The same is formed in the form of arc, like this. Arc. Angle of form an arc of angles of angles will be at the center. It's like this, no? So what is the radius of the circle? This one. This is what they're asking. How to find this? This is a 20 suit centimeter. This is radius, means 2 pi r is equals to what? 22. Correct. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. 22 cancel. So r is equals to 3.5 or 7 by 2. So what is the radius of the circle? But why you are finding this? What to do here? How to find this? So here is coming r plus r. The radius of the circle. This is nothing but rate. How to find radius of the circle? R plus 60 by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 22. You can write like this only. Drishi, have you done like this only or different way? Drishi? I'm not able to hear actually. Rasul, how to do? Tell me. Rasul. 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 Drishi, tell once again. Drishi, you tell once again what to do. Okay.
Sir,
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equals to 22. Like this you are saying. But this is the length of arc, right? This is the length of arc. So piece of wire.
So we need to find the radius of the circle, right?
Achha, radius of circle. Correct. So this is the arc only found. Now theta is 360 degree, right? 60 by 360 into 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 22. 22 20 cancel. 6 2 3s are 6. So r is equals to 21 centimeter. Yeah, this is the r.
21 centimeter.
Yeah, it's correct. So you people have not sent me anything, huh? Means last week also few people sent me actually. So many people have not sent the homework and all. Today I'll mention in the group. Okay.
Sir, I'm in still village, sir.
So you cannot do homework, no? Okay, no problem. Right. What is the reason behind it? Today I'll just put in the chat box all those what I can say. What is the answer you should do? Which all questions? Right now, I'm telling you how many questions you need to do.
Okay, sir.
You do 20 questions and send me back. Okay, 20 questions of this one. What you can say? Case study questions. And don't ask me which book and all. The book which is already sent in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Any 20 questions means case study means one case study is having 5 means 4 case study you do. Okay. So
So the PDF would somewhat send, sir.
yeah, same. Or again, he have sent. Yeah, put PDF what Samat has sent the same PDF. Yes. So case study you can do 20 questions or any other questions you can do. You can leave children now. You can leave all of you.
So for all of us is the same homework, the case study.
Yeah, same only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Leave now others. Teja, Jav.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So you are from Bangalore, right, sir? आप बैंगलोर से हो ना सर?
बैंगलोर से बात कर रहा हूँ. बैंगलोर से हो नहीं, बैंगलोर से बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, हम लोग अगले साल आएंगे.
हाँ, अगले साल.
जी सर.
Okay, fine.